Hey guys, what's up? How are you? Hope that you guys are having an amazing one today. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Jarrell, and in today's video we are going to be trying Adept Cosmetics for the first time. I'm super excited. I have been having these palettes right here in my collection for a little while. Haven't even touched them, played with them or anything like that because I actually wanted to do a video, but at this time of the day we only have time to play with one of the palettes. But these are the two palettes that I decided to go for just because I am new to the brand. I have been asking you guys for a very long time about your favorite indie brand, like which shadows you guys are obsessed with, and so many of you have recommended Adept Cosmetics. So it comes in this black box right here, and I ordered two of the palette. They came really nice, well packaged. Here's one of them, and this one is the Nin Hydra. I'm probably not saying that right, but here are the colors. Absolutely stunning. I don't know if the camera is going to like really show you how beautiful and colorful this palette is. It is so gorgeous. So you do have some neutral shades here that you can keep it, you know, super like very sparkly for sure, because I can definitely see the sparkle in these shadows, but you can still make it a little bit more wearable. And then you have your green tones, pinks and purples and blues, which are like just stunning. So I'm really excited for this palette, but I don't think that I'm going to be able to play with this palette just because I do have to go and pick up my kids, but maybe I will. I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. And this one is the one that I am obsessed with. This one is called the Minka palette, and just by looking at it, it is absolutely gorgeous. I hope that the camera is showing you how beautiful this palette is, because it is super stunning. We have so many beautiful shades right here, like really sparkly metallic shades. This palette looks absolutely stunning. Now it only has two mattes. I just noticed that, which is this one and this one. So I might jump around from this palette to the other palette. The reason is because I do really like the matte shades that this one has, and this one also has two matte shades which is this one right here and this like green tone, khaki tone. So yeah, I don't know. And this one is definitely more of a like plummy brown shade, comparing it to this one's right here and this palette, that it's definitely more on the purpley side. I wish that it had a little bit more mattes, I'm not gonna lie. Like just thinking about the look that I am trying to create, it's already stressing me out because it doesn't have that many mattes, but we can still do it. And let me know in the comment section down below if you are very familiar with Adept Cosmetics. Which palette do you recommend? Have they already taken into consideration for the newer palettes to add more mattes to it? How do you guys like the formula on the matte shadows? Let me know. Let's go ahead and talk about makeup and help your girl out for sure. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. But before we do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and of course comment down below, because that definitely helps out my channel so much. And without further ado, let's get started. So I am using my Hourglass to prime my eyes. Okay, yeah, so I thought that we had a brown shade or a brown plummy shade, but I'm looking at it now and it's definitely not that brown. When I look at it from here, it's more on the purpley side. Yeah, I will definitely bring another palette in next time I play with these palettes right here, but I am going to take this purpley shade and I'm using the Refer R103. So I'm just going to tap it in the outer corner and just blend it out. So this is going to be like my transition shade. I've been in the mood to play with eyeshadows lately so much. Like that is the reason why I actually wore a blue look on my last video, just because I have been just missing playing with eyeshadows. I've been looking at my pictures from like years ago. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have actually seen one of them in in my stories, because I used to be like super into eyeshadows, just creating really like bold makeup looks, and that is definitely not the trend anymore, and I miss it. I absolutely miss it so much, just playing with eyeshadows and just being super creative. That was like my thing. Just so happy that I'm doing that today. I really do feel awkward when I have to go and pick up my son to school and I'm like here wearing like some bold shadows. I just feel a little bit self-conscious, I'm not gonna lie. I just feel like I'm being judged. Anyway, so I am going to now move on to the other palette. I'm going to take the other shade, which is this one right here, that is called ACM 31, and the one that I was using is called Toya. So just using the same brush, the What's Up Beauty R103 brush, I'm going to take this shade right here. That builds it up and blend it out really nicely, and you are able to see it on my eyes for sure, which is nice. So I'm just going to tap this ACM 31 in the outer corner just to give us a little bit more definition. And I'm going to run it a little bit on my lower lashes in the outer part, really close to my lash line. Just picking up a little bit more, doing the same step, just blending it into the previous shade. So while I am applying this eyeshadow, just building it up and blending it into the other shade, let me just tell you guys that I don't think that I'm going to be picking up the Makeup by Mario palette. I wish that it was in store because then I don't have to wait. And maybe that is the reason why I don't want to pick it up. But I do also think that I should pick it up because I could add it to my makeup kit. I don't know. I don't know. I think that I would have purchased it right away if it was in store, but because it's not, it's just such a pain to like order it, wait for it, and then by the time I get it and the time that I sit down to film, like nobody even cares about it anymore, to be quite frank with you guys. Just go back to this shade right here and just blend the edges. I'm using a clean brush, and this one is the Refer 27 brush. Did you guys also pick up the new brushes from Refer? Let me know in the comment section if you guys are liking the new synthetic brushes that they came out with. I absolutely love Refer brushes. Like, I need to buy a whole new set for my makeup kit. They are just so amazing, and the What's Up Beauty ones are really good as well. But yeah, let's go ahead and just add a little bit of this deeper, more brighter, like purple shade. I'm going to use the same brush that I was using before, and this one is called Maria. Yeah, this one has a little bit more oomph to it. It has like more brightness to it. Oh, I like that one. Just a little bit. Just adding it in the outer corner, but like really staying a little bit in, not so much in the outer corner. Just pressing that color down. This eye, it's a little bit more folded, like the fold here, it's a little bit heavier than this eye right here. So I do feel like it needs a little bit more help to blend than the other eye. You know, you have an easy brow, an easy eye, and then you have those difficult ones. Going back with this brush right here in Toya, again, blending the edges. I do feel like there's no pigmentation, and like there's two lines here, but it's actually just the texture of my eyes. This looks intense. All right, now let's go ahead and add some shimmer. I am so excited for all of them, so let's see what I want to do. You know what, let's keep it simple. Keep it simple. You know what, I actually want to use Selena because it does like a shift to the same color of my shirt. And this one, oh yeah, it's like a green. Oh, it reminds me of the Pat McGrath one. It has like the green and pink. Wow, that looks absolutely stunning. Let me see. Linda. Wow, Linda is absolutely gorgeous as well. It does have like a darker base to it. Come on, I'm talking. And Linda is on the top. It has like a more of a peachy pink, and then also that dark base when you move it. What is it? It's like a greenish bluish tone. Absolutely gorgeous. This palette right here, I absolutely love the shades that I showed you, but they do have like a shift to it. And because I am having like a little bit of a purple undertone, I just don't want it to clash with the green and the purple, so I am going to stick to this palette right here just to add my base, which is this like shade that matches my shirt a little bit. And this one is called the AC123. Does it have? It does have a shift as well. Oh, but look at this shade. Oh my god. Yeah, but it does have that shift as well. So let's go ahead and just go with this one and see how it goes. I'm just going to add it to the lid with my finger and make it meet with these shades right here that we have in the outer corner. Wow. Definitely wearing my sunglasses today. Look at that. That is so gorgeous. It feels like very buttery and smooth, and it's not having any fallout. It's actually adhering to my eyelid very nicely, and I don't have any like eyeshadow glue or anything like that. I've been so far away from you guys all of this time. Why are you guys not telling me anything? Let me bring myself a little closer. Okay. Wow. Okay, so yeah, this shadow is insane. So pretty. Okay, I'm happy with that. That is so beautiful. So I'm going to go back to this palette right here, and I'm probably going to drive you guys super crazy, but I'm sorry, I just have to do it. So I'm just going to add a little bit of Selena, which is the one that I swatched to you for you guys earlier. I went ahead and just cleaned my finger, and now I'm just going to add it to the inner corner and just have it meet with this shade that we have in the middle. So this one is a little bit brighter. It's not the same shade. It's a little bit brighter. It does have a different finish to it, but that is gorgeous. I'm going to take the shade in Maya. This shade has been like calling my name since I first opened the palette, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's like a champagne-y. I don't know what is going to do to this look, if I'm going to ruin it or what, but we will see. I'm just going to tap it a little bit. Yeah, that definitely has like so many sparkles. This shade by itself is going to be absolutely beautiful for like a one and done. Wow, yeah, it's definitely picking up, and it's picking up the product as well. So beautiful. Doing the same thing to the other eye. So you don't have to do this step. I mean, you could just leave it like it is, add a liner, do your mascara, and just be out. But I want to add this. All right, guys. So I just went and added a little bit on the crease as well, just to like make it all nice and like flare out a little bit. And I think that looks absolutely stunning. The sparkle on it is gorgeous. So I'm just going to clean up a little bit on the bottom. Using the BK Beauty 209 brush, I'm going to go back to Sienna, this shade right here. I'm just adding it in the inner corner, cleaning the brush, and now taking the shade in Maria, which is the darker, brighter purple shade, and just running that on my lower lashes, meeting with Selena. Taking a pencil brush, and this is the Refer 12, I'm going to take Toya, which is the lighter purple shade that we have. I'm just going to run it on the bottom. So in total, I have only used 6 shades from these 2 palettes right here. And I can tell you right now that I am going to like fall in love with this brand based on these 2 palettes right here. But the only thing that I do gotta say again is that I'm just missing some mattes. So if you are new to Adept Cosmetics and you wanted to try it, just make sure that you already have a beautiful like matte palette that you want to work with. I am going to just curl my lashes, add a tons of mascara, and then show you the final look. So here is the final look, guys, and I am obsessed with this look. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. I love every single eyeshadow that I work with. So I'm really excited to continue on playing with these 2 palettes right here, just creating more looks, just playing with the texture, getting familiar with the formula that Adept Cosmetics has. And I'm really happy with the outcome. I absolutely love this look. I know my husband is gonna be like, where are you going? It's Tuesday in the afternoon. What's going on? But I don't care. I got to do exactly what I wanted to do, which is play with makeup, give you guys some inspiration to either try like indie brands, or maybe if you already have these palettes in your collection, then maybe just to bring them back out and play with them. They are absolutely gorgeous. Like, I cannot wait to create another look. And this shade in particular, which is like a bluish duochrome kind of shade, is like what's calling me next, because I have been into colors and just, I don't know, playing with eyeshadow just makes me absolutely so happy. So if you know, you know. If this is not your type of look, I totally understand. We have a different likes and dislikes, and that is totally fine, because that is exactly what makes us unique. But I love this look right here. That is it for this video. I really love the quality. So far so good. I am going to continue on playing with this palette. I will report back to you guys in a future videos. Just keep an eye open for those shorts that are coming your way, because I will find time to play with these eyeshadow palettes. Again, I promise you that, even if it's just through my phone recording, just sitting in my vanity at nighttime with nowhere to go, that's okay. I'm still gonna do it. Anyways, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for your love, your time, and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, and I will see you next time.